Hi children, how are you? Are you fine? Children, in the last class, already we discussed about peninsula, island, strait, gulf and bay. Am I right? Okay. What is a peninsula, children? Can you tell me what is a peninsula? A peninsula is a land surrounded by water on three sides. Okay. Example of peninsula is India. India is a peninsula because the Indian peninsula is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on the west, the Indian Ocean on the south, and the Bay of Bengal on the east. Okay, children. The next one we studied about islands. What is an island? An island is a land surrounded by water on all sides. Can you tell me the example of island, children? We learn about Sri Lanka. We know that the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar separates India from Sri Lanka. The next we studied about strait. What is a strait, children? A strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two seas or two other large areas of water. The next one is gulf. What is a gulf, children? A gulf is a deep inlet of sea with a narrow mouth. Okay. What is a gulf? A gulf is a deep inlet of sea with a narrow mouth. The next one we studied about bay. What is a bay, children? A bay is a body of water partially surrounded by land. So we studied up to here. Then now you do one thing, children. Take textbook page number 290. 290. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. The first one, the Indian peninsula has the Arabian Sea to the dash. There are three options. What are they? First one is west, east, south. First one west, second one east, third one is south. Which is the right answer, children? The Indian peninsula has the Arabian Sea to the west. Exercise number 1. Exercise number 1A. West. Write down. What is the spelling of west, children? W-E-S-T, west. Second one, dash is to the north of India. What is the right answer, children? There are three options. China, Myanmar, Pakistan. Which is the right answer, children? China. Okay, C-H-I-N-A, China. Third one is the Lakshadweep Islands lie in the dash. What is the right answer? Arabian Sea. A-R-A-B-I-A-N, Arabian Sea. Then D. Land surrounded by water on four sides is called surrounded by water. That you see here D. Land surrounded by water on four sides is called an island. Island. Okay. The first one is west. The Indian peninsula has the Arabian Sea to the west. Second one, China is to the north of India. China, C-H-I-N-A, China. Third one, the Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea. A-R-A-B-I-A-N, Arabian S-E-A-C. The last one is land surrounded by water on four sides is called an island. I-S-L-A-N-D, island. The next one, fill in the blanks. Take, children, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, exercise number 2. A. Land surrounded by water on three sides is called a dash. Land surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Write down peninsula. P-E-N-I-N-S-U-L-A, peninsula. Then B. India is the dash largest country in the world. Which is the seventh largest country in the world, children? India. So here India is the dash largest country in the world. What is the right answer, children? Seventh. Write down S-E-V-E-N-T-H. The next one is the dash separates India from Sri Lanka. The Pak Strait separates India from Sri Lanka. Pak Strait. P-A-L-K, Pak. S-T-R-A-I-T, Strait, Pak Strait. Okay, children? Pak Strait. P-A-L-K, Pak. S-T-R-A-I-T, Strait, Pak Strait. Then D. A dash is a deep inlet or sea with a narrow mouth. What is the right answer, children? Gulf. G-U-L-F, Gulf. Okay. Once again, children. The first one is peninsula. P-E-N-I-N-S-U-L-A, peninsula. Second one, India is the seventh largest country in the world. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. Then third one, the dash separates India from Sri Lanka. The right answer is Pak Strait. P-A-L-K, Pak. S-T-R-A-I-T, Strait. The last one is a gulf is a deep inlet of sea with a narrow mouth. What is the spelling of gulf, children? G-U-L-F, Gulf. Then unscramble the letters to get the names of India's neighbors. Next one, unscramble the letters. Letters order alla, disorder lana. So you have to make them you have to arrange them in order. Okay. The first one, A. M-A-R-Y-M-A-N. Can you tell me this one? Myanmar. Write down Myanmar. Myanmar. Okay. M-Y-A-N-M-A-R. Myanmar. Second one is P-L-A-N-E. Second one is Nepal. Nepal. Then C. B-U-M-H-A-T. Bhutan. Then next one. S-A-N-K-A-R-I-L. What is that? Sri Lanka. Okay, children. Then next one is A-I-N-C-H. China. Okay. First one is Myanmar. M-Y-A-N-M-A-R. M-Y-A-N-M-A-R. Second one Nepal. N-E-P-A-L. Nepal. Third one Bhutan. B-H-U-T-A-N. Bhutan. The next one Sri Lanka. S-R-I-L-A-N-K-A. Sri Lanka. The last one is China. C-H-I-N-A. China. See, choose the correct answer. First one is West. Second one China. Third one Arabian Sea. The last one is island. The next one fill in the blanks. The first one is peninsula. Second one seven. Third one Pak Strait. The last one is Gulf. Then unscramble the letters. The first one is Myanmar. Second one Nepal. Third one Bhutan. The next one is Sri Lanka. The last one is China. Okay, children, have you completed this? You no need to write in the notebook. You should study from the textbook only. You should write in the textbook only. Okay? Homework is study lesson 3, true or false. Okay, children? Lesson 3, true True or false? Okay, children, study properly. Okay, children, I am going to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.